Introducing the 2020 BMW X1 Sdrive18d Xdrive 18D Sport SD4. Door auto in a stunning blue exterior colour. This powerhouse boasts a 2-litre diesel engine, automatic transmission, and a stylish estate Jeep body style. Loaded with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The interior offers luxury trim, boot light, and more. With security features including ABS, central locking, and a tyre pressure indicator, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the roof rails add a touch of style. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Contact the seller today or visit jpmg.ie for more information. Drive away in style and comfort with the 2020 BMW X1 Sdrive18d Xdrive 18D Sport SD4 Door Auto.